Hi children, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to revise you chapter 14 and 15. What I am going to revise here? Two chapters, that are chapter 14 and 15. First one is time. Okay, chapter 14 is time. In time chapter, what did you see in the previous classes? What did you know about time? See, actually time is measured in hours, minutes, seconds. Yes or no? Time is measured in hours, minutes, seconds. For telling time, usually we will use the clock, watches, etc. See here, if you consider this, it is clock I drawn here. In this clock, there are 12 numbers marked. Between two numbers, small 5 lines. Small lines, 5 lines will be marked, that each line is called minute. Clear what I am trying to tell here? Here is a clock, numbers are mentioned 12 numbers are mentioned here. Between every two numbers there are 5 lines. Each line is called a minute. Each line is called a minute. Okay, and also there are two hands. Mainly two hands are there in every clock. One is in short, another one is in longer. That short hand is called hour hand. Short hand is called hour hand. The longer hand is called minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E, minute hand. It say longer hand is called minute hand, short hand is called hour hand, H-O-U-R. Okay, some other clocks have the third hand also, that is called seconds hand. Okay, here what I am trying to tell it. Here, minute hand will pass from one number to another number within 5 minutes. See that already I told, no, in between every two numbers there are 5 lines. Each line is called a minute. Okay, so minute hand while crossing from one number to another number, it is covering 5 lines. It is crossing the 5 lines, so that we can tell here the minute hand moves from one number to another number within 5 minutes. Okay, like that, for completing all those numbers which are marked on the clock, it takes nearly 60 minutes. See, between every two numbers there are 5 lines. Totally here are the numbers 12. So 12 5s are 60. So for covering, for completing one round, minute hand takes 60 minutes. That means what about hour hand? Hour hand will move from one number to another number in 1 hour. That means to move from one number to another number, it takes 60 minutes. So it is the slowly moving hand. Okay, so like that, if you consider for completing one round, it takes 12 hours. See, again I am telling, minute hand will move from one number to another number within 5 minutes. In that basis, it completes one whole round in 60 minutes. So, like if you consider the hour hand, it completes one round. That means from 12 to 12, it takes 12 hours. To complete one round, hour hand will take 12 hours. For moving one number to another number, it takes 1 hour. So it is the slower hand, this is faster hand. Clear? We can tell like that also. Seconds hand will move from one line to another line within 60 seconds. For moving 1 minute to another minute, it takes 60 seconds. Okay, one line to another line, it takes 60 seconds. So it is the very fastest hand, it is the medium level, this is the slower. Clear? So based on this time procedure, we have some statements already you were learnt. Again I am recalling. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. If you consider one day, next hour, minute, say minute first, then hour, after that day. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. one day if you consider, there are how many? 24 hours. One day equal to 24 hours. A day is divided into four categories. In which way? Midnight, morning, noon or midday, evening. Yes or no? A day is divided into four categories. That is midnight, morning, midday or noon, then evening. That morning time, the 12 o'clock, this I am telling first. Midnight, 12 o'clock at night is called midnight. 12 o'clock at night time is called midnight. 12 o'clock during the day, morning session. 12 o'clock during the day is called noon. Between that remaining hours, morning time after midnight, that means morning 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 10 a.m. These and all, how do you call? That time session is called anti-meridian. How do you call that? The morning time from midnight after midnight to before midday is called morning time. That is simply we mention as AM, anti-meridian. After that time between noon to midnight is called post meridian. That means afternoon session. Okay, post meridian, after noon, 12 o'clock after to 12 o'clock at night. That time, that before, that mean time we will call as post meridian. Understood, children? So simply we will tell that as PM, AM. See, again I am telling 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 day equal to 24 hours. That day is divided into four categories. One is morning, night, because day starts from midnight to next midnight. No, it starts from previous day night to the next day night, like that. 24 hours. A day is 24 hours. It is divided into four categories: morning, noon, afternoon, that means evening time, then night. Like that you can consider that morning session after midnight to before noon is called morning time. That we will say usually anti-meridian, AM simply called. Afternoon, midday 12 o'clock is called noon, no? So after 12 o'clock to night 12 o'clock, before 12 o'clock at night is called evening time. That is simply called post meridian, PM. Understood? Especially that midnight 12 o'clock and noon 12 o'clock, we should not use AM or PM. It is neither AM nor PM at midnight and noon. Understood? After day after, if you consider week, 7 days equal to 1 week. 7 days equal to 1 week. If you consider 4 weeks makes 1 month. 4 weeks, 1 week equal to 7 days. Like that 4 weeks equal to 1 month we say. Clear? Days wise, if you consider 1 month equal to 30 days. A month name is not mentioned. Usually we will say 30 days. Some more months have 31, especially February month has 28 days. February month has 28 days, remaining months have 30 or 31 days. That and all you know well, January, February, etc. Okay, if you consider year, there are 12 months in that. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So year to days, what is the link? Means 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. Leap year, LEAP, leap year contain 366 days. 366 days. This and all you would have seen already. Okay, just lightly I am touching exercise based what is given here. See, exercise 14.1, if you consider, exercise 14.1, if you consider, there are 3 Romans. One is, first one is write the time as soon. Time is given. Hands at the clock will be marked. By seeing the clock, you have to tell the time or write the time. Okay. See, now what time? Short hand is at 3. Longer hand is at 12. That means now what time? 3 o'clock. What is that? 3 o'clock. How do you call, ma? 3 o'clock. See, now what time? Tell. See, short hand is at 4, longer hand is at 2. So longer hand, already I told you, it is called minute hand. So it crossed 2 numbers, you know. So 2 numbers means how many lines it has crossed while coming from 12 to 2? 10 lines. Each line is called minute. Just now I said. So there are 10 lines between 12 to 2 means it crossed 10 lines, nothing but 10 minutes. So we can tell here time is 4:10. 4 hours 10 minutes. How do you call, ma? 4 hours 10 minutes. Otherwise, how do you tell? How to read the number? In 2 ways. One is fast, another one is 2. Using these 2 ways, you can read the time. Quarter fast, half fast, 3/4, quarter 2, half 2, like that you can use. These are the familiar words in time. Yes or no? Fast means what? That is over, time over. So using the fast, how do you read this 4:10 means? What is the meaning here? 10 minutes fast to 4 o'clock. After 4 o'clock, 10 minutes over. Fast, finished, anyway we can tell. So using this word fast, we can write this time in words. In words, in which way you can write? 10 minutes fast, 10 minutes fast 4, 10 minutes fast. Yes or no? Now tell. What's the time? Write the time as shown in the clock. How do you write? See, short hand showing at 10, longer hand showing at 5. Yes or no? So that means hours wise you can tell 10, minutes wise how do you tell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, it is 5 numbers the longer hand crossed from 12. Yes or no? That means 5 5s are in each gap there are 5 minutes. So totally if you consider 25 minutes it has crossed 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. Clear? So 25 minutes crossed. So that time is 10:25. How do you write the time pass? Seeing the clock, 10 first hour and then minutes. This is hour, this is minute. 10 hours 25 minutes like that. Okay, this is in number. Suppose if you want to write this time in minutes means how do you write? Use the minutes word first. Using the word fast. How do you tell? 25 minutes over 10. 25 minutes fast 10. So we can write like this: 25 minutes fast 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, 25 minutes over fast like that. How do you use this word to? Now what time? The short hand is not exactly at 10. Not exactly at 10. It is going to reach 10. That means how do you consider? This is still at 9th place only. So 9 o'clock, 9 hours. If you consider the minute hand, it is at 11. So 11 5s are 55. 9:55. Time is now 9:55. Understood, children? See how I draw that short hand is not exactly at 10. It is little bit lower level only to 10. So you can have to consider that is 9 o'clock. If you consider the longer hand, it is at 11 exactly. So we can tell here the longer hand is covering here 55 minutes because 11 5s are 55, no? So 11 minutes it has crossed. So now time is 9 hours 55 minutes. Understood? Words means how do you tell? Using the word fast. 55 minutes past 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, 55 minutes over. So in that basis, you can write like this. 55 minutes fast 9. Otherwise, just for reaching 10 o'clock, how many minutes are there? Just 5 minutes. So there we can use the word to. 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. 5 minutes to 10. Understood, children? So where you have to use the word fast, where you have to use the word to. Clear? Over, finished. For mentioning that you have to use the word fast. To be reached, going to reach the next hour, means there you have to use the word to. So in two ways we can, this is in number. 9 hours 55 minutes, like that we can read. Using the in words, if you want to write, means there are two ways. One is using the word fast, another one is using the word to. Fast means where you have to use this word finished, completed, over. In that category you have to use the word fast. No, going to reach to next number means you have to use the word to. Clear? So in two ways we can tell this time 9:55 as 55 minutes past 9. 55 minutes past 9. Otherwise 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. Understood, children? So like this only, if there is hands fixed at the clock, you by seeing it you have to write that time. Second section in that, what is given? Draw the hands. Time is mentioned under the clock. By seeing for that you have to draw the hands. Okay? See, quarter fast. Quarter. I didn't tell about quarter, no? Quarter fast 4. Quarter means actually 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, no? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That means one complete round, full round, consider 60 lines. Each line is called a minute, therefore 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour. Half an hour. In this half, full round 60. Half an hour means how many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 only, no? So this side 30, this side 30. So half an hour means you can tell 30 minutes. Half an hour means you can tell as 30 minutes. What about this? That half I cut into 2 pieces. That half I cut into 2 pieces. In this each part, how many minutes are coming? 5, 10, 15. That each part in every half is called quarter. Half of a half is called a quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter of an hour equal to 15 minutes. Quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. See, understood, children, what I am trying to tell? One complete round, 12 to 12. 1 hour. Minutes wise 60 minutes. I am cutting into 2 parts. So now this is half, this is another half. So half an hour. How do you consider tell in minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, so this side 30 minutes, this side 30 minutes. 2 30 minutes are there in 1 hour. Understood? That each half I am cutting into 2 pieces. In this half I cut. At the time 2 pieces are came. Okay, here each part 15 minutes. Here 15. So this is 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Clear? So each part is called quarter. So quarter equal to 15 minutes. Quarter equal to 15 minutes. Half 30 minutes. 3 quarter. 1, 2, 3. 3 quarter. Up to this. From here to this. 3 quarter. How many minutes? 45 minutes. 15 plus 15 plus 15. 45 minutes. Understood, children? So now you know what is come one round. One round nothing but 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour equal to 30 minutes. Quarter. 1 quarter equal to 15 minutes. 2 quarters 30 minutes. 3 quarter 45 minutes. You know well. Now using these words, time is mentioned. For mentioning the given time, you have to draw the clocks. Draw the hands at the clock. See here what word is given? Quarter. Quarter fast 3. Quarter fast 3. Like this is there. Quarter means just now I told, no? Quarter means 15 minutes. It is understood. So fast 3. Fast means finished, over. So 3. This is 3. 3 means 3 hours. So after 3 o'clock, 15 minutes passed, completed, over. So this gives this meaning. So for mentioning that, you have to draw the hands here on the clock. So how do you draw the hands? Hour is 3, no? So 3. Short hand you have to draw towards number 3. Then quarter nothing but 15 minutes, no? 5, 10, 15. Like this. Understood? So in this basis, second section is given. Clear? Third section, just using AM, PM. For the given statement, you have to mention AM or PM. Complete the following using AM or PM. 8, 10 in the morning. Morning time, I told, no? Anti-meridian. Usually, you mention there as AM. 2:25 in the night. Night time. After night, the next day begins, no? So there also early morning, you have to use AM only. 6:50 in the morning, AM only. 7:15 in the evening. 7:15 in the evening. Midday is called 12 o'clock. Midday 12 o'clock is called noon. Morning session. After 12 o'clock, the time is called post meridian. Simply we will mention as the PM. Here 7:15 in the evening. So you have to use the word PM. Easiest topic only. Okay, ma? Then next exercise 14.2. Conversion from one unit to other unit. Conversion. 14.2. Convert into seconds. That means question is convert nothing but change. Okay, change into that unit from this unit. So question is in minute, 6 minutes. Question is in minute. You have to convert the 6 minutes into seconds. 6 minutes into seconds. So how do you change that? Already we have seen how 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Question is given here 6 minutes. So 6 minutes equal to dash seconds. That is the question. So how do you change? 1 minute, that result you have to write here. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. If you know the link only, you can find this answer. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Our question is 6 minutes. Therefore, 6 minutes equal to 6 into 60 seconds. Why we have to multiply here? See, for example, 1 chocolate 10 rupees. 1 chocolate 10 rupees means 2 chocolates, how do you tell? 2 tens are 20, no? So, like that only, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds means 6 minutes equal to dash seconds. What to do? 6 into 60. 6 6 are 36. 6 into 0, 0. 360 seconds. So, 6 minutes means in seconds, how do you tell? 360 seconds. Understood? See, second one, convert into minute. Convert into minute. That means question is in hours. 8 hours. Shortly. 8 hours. 8 hours equal to dash minute. This is the question. Question is in hours. You have to change that hours into minute. So, how do you go? How do you change from this unit to there? First of all, you have to know the link between hours and the minute. What is the link between hours and minute? We know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Our question is here 8 hours. So, 8 hours equal to dash minutes. This is the question. So, 8 into 60. 8 into 60 minutes. Multiply 8 0 0. 0 into anything 0 only, no? 8 into 0 0. 8 6 are 48. So, 480 minutes. In 8 hours, how many minutes are there? 480 minutes. Understood, children? So, in this basis, you have to revise all the remaining sums in this exercise. Okay, ma. We will go to next calendar only, that you know well. January, February, month of the year, number of days in every month, that and all given. Just to go through that. Exercise 14.3. Let me move to next chapter, lines and shapes. 15th chapter is lines and shapes. That I am revising a glance. Chapter, lines and shapes. Actually, what are the things you have seen here in lines and shapes based? Actually, what is line? What is a point? What are the line segments? What are the plane figures? Solid figures? What are the edges, vertices, sides? This and all you have seen. Just I am recalling each and everything here. Okay. See here. Actually, this is a point. Point. It can be denoted by alphabets A, B, C, D. Point. How do you read this? Point A, point B, point C, like that. Clear, children? It tells about location of object. See, here is a box. So, where is a box? You can ask. At A. Where is a pencil? At C. Clear? So, it points tells about location of an object. What about line? Set of lines makes set of points make a line. Set of points make a line. We can extend on it both sides. This side and this side. Both sides we can extend. It has no end. It goes on both sides. Okay, for mentioning that only we are putting arrow mark. Arrow mark indicates here can be extended on both sides. It has no end point. So, you know what is point. Point tells about location of an object. It denotes by ABCD, alphabets. Then line set of points make a line. It can be extended on both sides. For mention, no end it has. So for mentioning that only we are using arrow mark. Clear? If you cut that on both sides, the bit will come, the part will come. The part is called here line segment. A part, nothing but piece. A piece of a line is called a line segment. Here we cut, no, both sides we cut. So it has one starting point and one ending point. Clear? So this is point, this is line, this is line segment. Line segment. Here both places we cut. So here it has two end points, starting point, ending point. It can be point, already I said the points are denoted by alphabets. So here we can use the name AB, line AB. How do you call this? Line AB. Here line segment AB, segment, nothing but piece of the line is called line segment. Okay, this symbol is like this, line segment. No arrow mark should be. One side only you are cutting, other side not cut. One side only you cut, other side goes on. So that is called ray. That is called ray. Ray AB. See, this is line AB. This is line segment AB. This is ray AB. This is ray AB. Understood, children? Based on the lines, you have classifications. What are that? Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, straight line, like that and all. See, this is called horizontal line, sleeping position, horizontal. This is standing position, vertical, horizontal, HORIZONTAL, horizontal. This is vertical, standing position. Okay, this is slanting, SLANTING, horizontal, vertical, slanting. Okay. Then based on the lines, with the help of lines we can make some figures also. See here, this is one line segment, this is another line segment, this is one more line segment. So three line segments joining time, we are getting one closed figure. Actually this is opened, but here all the line segments are connected to each other. Yes or no? At the time we are getting one closed figure. Okay, it is called triangle. Triangle, TRIANGLE, triangle. So my figures based, we have two categories. One is plane figures, plane figures, solid figures. Plane figures, solid figures or shapes. Plane figures or plane shapes. Solid figures or solid shapes. We have some classification. So usually plane figures category, which are the shapes will come? Triangle, square, rectangle and circle. So what are the plane figures? And draw them. Like this question may come. What to do? You first of all you have to know what are the plane figures. What are that? Triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Triangle like this comes. Three line segments are joined to make a figure. It is called a triangle. Square means four-sided. That each line segment only we are calling as here side. Line segment, in general it is line segment, particularly here it is called side. Okay, so four sides, three sides join means it is triangle. That figure is called here triangle. Four sides joined, at the time we are getting on figure, it is called square. square. Here square means all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So, how to draw the line segment, let me explain now. Wait. Rectangle means it also four-sided figure only. Here only opposite sides are equal. What is the difference between both? Here four sides, here also four sides. But in which way you can show the difference? Here all the sides are equal. For example, this is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter means, see, coming all the sides equally, no? So it is called a square. But here not like that. This is 10 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, like that you have to consider. So opposite sides only equal means that figure is called a rectangle. What is it? Called rectangle. Circle, it has no sides, just one closed figure. Two ends are connected with another one. See, I am starting here and again going to join there. This is called a circle, a closed figure, a closed curve. Make a figure, it is called a circle. Understood? These are the plane figures. I forgot to tell how to draw the line segment. Wait, let me explain that also. See, line segment, here and all we are telling each one is line segment only, no? So how to draw the line segment? First of all, you have to know that. See, I want now 10 centimeter. So how to draw? Take the scale. Actually, what is it called? A ruler or scale. Here some measures marked in numbers. Between every two numbers, small line is coming here. That is called millimeter. Okay, so starting in the 0 place, you have to mark a dot, take as A. Then 10 centimeter means up to that, from 0 to 10 on the scale. Against of 0, you have to mark a point A. After that, 10 centimeter place, where is coming? Above that you keep the dot. This is 10 centimeter distance. Okay, suppose 30 centimeter want means what to do? Here from against of 0 on the scale, you have to keep a dot. Consider that as P. 30 centimeter, where it is coming? Here. So this is Q point, P, Q. The distance between P and Q is here. Centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter. So we can write PQ. Line segment symbol like this, no, is equal to 30 centimeter, like that. Understood, children? This is the way to draw a line segment for the given measurement. Understood? Here plane figures means what are the figure comes? Triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Triangle means three-sided figure. Square means four-sided figure. Each side is equal with the other. That means all the sides are equal. Rectangle means four-sided figure, but what specifically what do you tell here? Opposite sides are equal. Circle means closed curve is called a circle. Understood? Then say last category, solid figures. Solid shapes. Here which will come? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay, these are the solid shapes. What are that? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. See, sphere. Actually, what is it? you can say this is duster. Yeah, it is duster only, but which shape it contains? It is the cuboidal shape. This is the example for cuboid. Understood, children? See, here the flat surface is called face. F-A-C-E. Flat surface. How many flat surfaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, if you consider see again I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces. How many faces are there? 6 faces. Edges, nothing but sides. Line segment, actually generally the line segment is called side. Here side is called an edge. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges, nothing but 12 sides. How many vertices? Vertices nothing but corners. 2 edges are connecting at a corner. No, that is called vertex. Vertex plural only, vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Understood, children? See, figure how will come means for cube means 6 faces. Each face look like square. So like this will come. 6 faces, Rubik cube, that and all you know well. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Okay? Cuboid also. Each face look like rectangle. Each face, for example, duster. Each faces look like rectangle. There are 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. For cuboidal, these are same only. Cylinder, your water bottle. Consider your water bottle. Here, 2 curved surfaces are there. Top and bottom are look like circle. The surrounding place, the middle portion is look like curved. This is flat surface. Top and bottom are flat surfaces. The middle portion is curved surface. Okay, so totally 3 faces are there, 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface, like that. Edges means this 2 only, curved edges only. Clear? No vertices. Curved edges only, correct. Then cone like this. You know, okay, here also one circular shape, circular bottom is there, upper part like triangular. It is one curve, flat surface, another one is curved surface. 2 surfaces are there. Okay, edge, vertex means only one vertex. Cone, lines up. Edges means curved edge only. Sphere, like orange. Okay, sphere, ball, that are all example for sphere. You know well, here no flat surfaces, only curved surface only, no edges and vertices. Understood? Okay, exercise 15.1. Like this only given plane figures, solid figures both mingled. You have to identify the given shape. Identify the given shape. See, actually now we have seen plane shapes, plane figures, solid figures. Solid figures means what are that? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Then what are the words will come there? Face, edge, vertex. Okay, cuboid have both. Same faces, edges, vertices only. Cone, it has 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. 2 curved edges. This two curved edges only, no vertex. Cone also have two faces, one is flat surface, another one is curved surface. One vertex it contain, one curved edge it contain. Sphere means it has one curved surface only, no edge and vertex. Understood, children? So lightly I have touched 15th chapter all the topics. Then last one, symmetry only, that is very easiest one. Okay, a line which cuts the, see what is it called? Symmetry. 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 What is it? Symmetry. See here, this is a triangle. Here this line only cutting the figure into two equal parts. So that line is called line of symmetry. That is called symmetry. At the time, while folding the figure into two halves, each half will match with the other exactly. While folding, see this is a hand. Now I am going to close here. Exactly my hands are closing each other. That means these are called symmetrical figures. Okay, a line which cuts the figure into two equal halves, at that time each part should match with the other is called a symmetry. That figure is called symmetrical figure. Okay, this is line of symmetry also. We can, that line is called line of symmetry. What I am trying to tell, actually symmetry means within a figure we have to cut into two equal pieces such that each piece must match with the other. That is called symmetry. Understood? Say butterfly means, if you draw the figure, if you draw the line, that line is cutting the figure into two halves, equal halves. If you fold also, this part will match with the other one exactly. Such figures are called symmetrical figures. That lines are called line of symmetry. So based on that exercise sums given, just go through that. Okay, that's all children. 2 chapters also we have revised. Thank you.